Oh, Cecil! Good morning! Wamenta! Mga bagong dating do, Sil? Mga bagong dating, no? Yeah. This is my kababayan. Kababayan, say hello to my 3M followers.
Wow naman! Wow!
3M.
Wow!
3M followers. This is my friend. And this is my locker room. Kuha muna tayo ng uniforms. Ayan. Bago tayo magsimula, magbihis muna tayo. Guys! Wait lang, guys. Ayan. And this is my locker room. Mamaya na lang, guys.